Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice functional equations? We have f of x plus 2 equals x squared plus 2x plus 2, and we want to find the value of f of x. So suppose we consider the solution from here. So from the given question, we have f of x plus 2. I want to find f of x. So from f of x plus 2 is a quadratic, and suppose we assume a solution of f of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c. So here is our assumptions. We consider this function as a quadratic. Then if I now replace this x, suppose I replace our x with x plus 2. So this is our domain. Then we are going to replace it with x plus 2 here. So here we have f of x plus 2. This equals a into bracket of x plus 2 squared plus b into bracket of x plus 2, so plus c. So this is what we have. Then we try and expand this. When we expand this, we have f of x plus 2 equals, the expansion of this becomes a into bracket of x squared plus 4x plus 4. So this expansion of x plus 2 squared. Then also plus b into bracket of x plus 2 plus c. Then, so if we expand this one, we have f of x plus 2 equals, so we're going to have this as ax squared plus 4ax plus 4a. Then we have plus bx plus 2b plus c. Then in the next step, we have f of x plus 2 equals, so we can only have this as ax squared plus, and we want to combine those with x. So this having x, this having x. And we combine this together, we have 4a plus b. Then multiply by x. So plus also those without x, we have 4a, we have 2b, and we have c. We combine them together. So and it becomes 4a plus 2b plus c. And the whole of this one for f of x plus 2 from the given question, it is equals to x squared plus 2x plus 2. So when we try and replace this one, we are going to have this as x squared plus 2x plus 2. So and this equals ax squared plus 4a plus b multiplied by x, then plus 4a plus 2b plus c. I try and compare this. We have ax squared equals to x squared here. This shows that the value of a here equals 1. And also, when we combine for the coefficient of x this side, we are going to have 4a plus b, and this equals 2. So when we substitute the value of a from this, we are going to have 4 multiplied by 1 plus b equals 2. So therefore, the value of b here equals, when we take 2 here, it becomes minus 2. And also when we compare the last one, which is 4a plus 2b plus c. So this will be equals 2. And when we replace a and b with this, we are going to have this as 4 plus, so b is minus 2. Then multiply this together, so this becomes minus 4 plus c equals 2. So therefore, this cancelled, and we have the value of c here equals 2. So we get a, we get b, and we get the value of c. So let's try and go back to where we come and replace the value of a, b, c, then we get the final answers. By try and replace this, we have f of x equals, so a is 1, which means this becomes x squared, and b is minus 2. So I'm going to have this as minus 2x, and c here is 2. That is plus 2. So here is the final answer to this. And the only differences is, in the first question, given question, we have plus 2x, and while this one we have minus 2x. So this is how to solve this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.